First Coast Math Clinic with Lesson 2, Order of Operations, from Unit 2, Equations and Expressions, with a pre-algebra and algebra focus. The goal in this video is to apply order of operations to simplify expressions. So let's just go through what our order of operations are first. So you may know the acronym for order of operations as PEMDAS. So what does PEMDAS stand for? P stands for parentheses. So that's the first thing we're going to do for our order of operations. So basically, if we have kind of an operation in parentheses, right? So we've got 2 plus 3 times 4. We're going to do the 2 plus 3 first, right? So we're going to get this first. We get 5, and then we're going to multiply by 4, and we get 20. So whatever happens in the parentheses goes first, and then we do whatever's outside the parentheses. Then exponents. So exponents is next. So if we have maybe like 2 to the second power plus 5, we're going to do that 2 to the second power first. Right, so 2 to the second power would give us 4 plus 5, giving us 9. Then multiplication and division, left to right. So if we have maybe like 2 times 3 plus 4, right, we would start with 2 times 3. We'd get 6 plus 4, and then we'd get 10. Then the last thing to do is addition and subtraction, again, moving from left to right. So let's go through some expressions, simplify some expressions by following our order of operations, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Number 1, we've got 2 times the quantity, 3 plus 6 minus 9. We've got our order of operations off to the side just to remind us. So first thing we want to do is parentheses. So we've got parentheses right here. Right, so let's start with the 3 plus 6. So we're going to have 2 and then in parentheses 9 minus 9. Now we've got multiplication and we've got subtraction. So let's do this multiplication first. So we can get 18 minus 9. Then 18 minus 9 is going to give us 9. Right, so we started, first thing was parentheses. Second thing was the multiplication here, and then the last thing was our subtraction with 18 and 9. Number 2, we've got 2 times 5 to the second power divided by 10. So we've got nothing really happening inside the parentheses here. We just have that 5, but we do have exponents. So for our exponents, we've got 5 to the second power. So we know 5 to the second power is 5 times 5, which is 25. So let's bring that down. So we're going to have 2 times 25 divided by 10. Now we've got multiplication and division, so we're just going to go left to right. I'm going to start with 2 times 25. 2 times 25 is 50 divided by 10. 50 divided by 10 is going to give us 5. Okay, so for number 3, we've got a couple different steps here. So we've got multiplication, we've got parentheses, we've got exponents, we've got addition. So let's start with, we still want to start with parentheses. So let's start right here. All right, 8 minus 6, right, that's going to be our first step. So let's bring that down. 4 times 8 minus 6 is 2 to the third plus 2 times 5. Now we can do our exponents. So 2 to the third. All right, so let's do that off to the side. So 2 to the third is 2 times 2 times 2, which is going to be 8. So we'll get 4 times 8 plus 2 times 5. Now we can do our multiplication. We're going to get 32 plus 10, and now our addition and subtraction, and we get 42. All right, so we started with parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication, then addition. All right, let's go to example number 4. Our last example, so we've got a couple sets of parentheses. We've got an exponent here. So let's start in the innermost parentheses right here. All right, so I'm going to pull that out just so we can get a better look at that expression. So that is 3 to the second minus 2. But in there, we've got this 3 to the second, right? So the first thing we have to do there is that 3 to the second. Well, we know 3 to the second is 3 times 3, which is 9. So I can replace 3 to the second with 9. So it's going to be 9 minus 2, which is 7. So we did our innermost parentheses, we did our exponent. So everything here I can replace with 9 and then bring down the rest of the parentheses, the rest of my expression. All right, so now I've got 5 times 4 times 9. And now what I do is I want to start on the innermost parentheses again. So I'm going to start right here. 4 times 9 is 36. And then 36 times 5 is going to give us 180. So we started with our exponent and then parentheses, and then kept moving outside, or then actually subtracted, excuse me. Exponents subtracted because we did what's inside of our parentheses, and then just kept working outside of our parentheses. So we did multiplied by 4 and then multiplied by 5. Okay. So this was lesson 2, order of operations from equations and expressions from First Coast Math Clinic. If you like this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe.